A divine has been issued from the rising of the sun to its settling. The Lord is gathering his generals, his anointed servants, for a time of apostolic alignment, prophetic impartation, and supernatural transformation. Now introducing the first annual International Apostolic Shift Summit 2025 in the United States of America, from June the 22nd through June 29th daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. to be held at 32124 25th Avenue South, Federal Way, Washington 98003. A full 7 days of glory, worship, intense prayer, and apostolic revelation, hosted by a mighty collaboration of workshops, explosion conveners, including Reverend Maggie Kings of GOC Sierra, Reverend Richard Muchangi, FGCK Kenya, Apostle Pauline Kamanja, President GMI, Prophetess Alejandra Gina, The Prayer Project, Bishop Terry Muchemi of GOC Sierra, Reverend Zipporah Wairimu, the President, Remap International, Reverend Joseph Masharia, GOC Sierra, Apostle Apollos Kithinji, GOC Kenya, Prophet Elias Romera, Outreach Director, Reverend Joseph Washira, GOC Sierra, and many others. These end-time vessels are inviting you to witness and partake in a prophetic move of God that will shift destinies and awaken nations. Joining this historic summit are renowned God's generals from across the globe, including Archbishop Dr. Steve Masharia, Presiding Bishop GOC Kenya, Bishop Dr. Francis Maina, Deputy President GOC Kenya, Bishop Dr. John Okinda, Pefa Churches, Bishop Dr. Isaac Ndewa, Convener, Washington, USA, Bishop Masande Bande, FGBC Zambia, Bishop Joshua Mulinge, Africa Israel Initiative, Bishop David Malombe, Nairobi, Kenya, Bishop Dr. Joe Bright, Priesthood Fellowship, Bishop Joe Olekahora of House of Bishops, Pastor Dennis Austin of Bethel Christian Center, Apostle Dr. Julius Kemani, who is a family therapist, and Dr. James Ngede, counseling psychologist. Renowned worshippers will sing and heavens will open, while praise melodies ignited by GOC praise voices as our curtain raisers all throughout the 7 days. This summit is more than a gathering. It's a divine apostolic shift, a moment of realignment and power for leaders, ministers, intercessors, and kingdom builders. This event is powered by Gospel Outreach Church, Global Admission International, Remap International, Priesthood Missions Network, and African Israel Initiative. Come expectant and be ready for divine encounters. It's our first annual International Apostolic Shift Summit 2025 to be held in the United States of America, where generals gather and heavens open. All are welcome.